Hi, Ms. Robinson. This is Albert Nguyen on question number four. Question number four is sort of an optimization kind of question. So I would be going over the steps I did in order to get to the final answers. All right. So first off, I would identify the unknowns of this question. That would be I would call it the x and y. X would be my first dimension of the printing area, which is right here. And this would be my poster. And the top 4-inch margin on the top and the bottom, and 2-inch margin on each side, on the left and the right. So x would be the dimension of the printing area, which is the part, smaller part inside the smaller rectangle, and y would be the second dimension of the smaller rectangle, which is the printing area. Then I would be able to put y in terms of x. As I've known, the printing area takes up 50 inches square. So I would take x times y to get 50. Therefore, y would be equal to 50 over x. The poster area, on the other hand, would be the big one, the big rectangle right here, is equal to x plus 8. 8 is uh, 8 is the sum of the 4 top and the bottom, the 4-inch top and the bottom margin, and y plus 4. 4 would be the sum of the 2-inch margin on each side. After that, I would substitute 50 over x into y to get 82 plus 4x plus 400x to the power of -1. Next step, I would take the derivative of my equation. So the derivative of a would equals 4 minus 400 x to the power of 2 of -2. So 4 would be my greatest common factor right here, and I end up with 1 minus 100 x to the power of -2 in the bracket. To find the critical points, I would set the derivative equals to 0. That would means 1 minus 100 x to the power of -2 equals 0. And from there, I would solve for x, and by this step, I would multiply both sides with I would put both sides to the power of -1/2, so they would cancel out on this side, and I would get x equal 10. So I would from since I get x equal 10, I would use the second derivative test by substituting 10 into my second derivative, which would be 800 x to the power of -3. That would be equal 4 over 5. Since 4 over 5 is greater than 0, my area would be minimum when x is equal to 10 inch. 10 inch, yep. Since x is equal to 10 inch, I would substitute my x back to my y equals 50 over x over here. Then I would get y equals 50 over 10, and I would have y equals 5 inch and x equal 10 inch. That would be the end of my long verbal verbal long response assignment. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day.